ರಾಮಾಂಜನ್ಮ ಪ್ಲವನಾಮ ಸಂವತ್ಸರ ದಕ್ಷಿಣಾಯನ ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ ಮಾಸ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಕ್ಷ ಉತ್ತರಾಭಾದ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಸಪ್ತಮಿ ತಿಥಿ ಭಾನುವಾರ. ಈ ದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ.
श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं दीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुग्म व्यामोहदस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये. नीलातुङ्गस्तनगिरितटे सुप्तमुद्बोध्य कृष्णं पादार्त्यां श्वां श्रुतिसरसिद्धमध्यापयन्ति स्वोचिष्टायां सृजनिगणितं या बलकृत्य भुङ्क्ते गोदा तस्यै नम इदं भूय एवास्तु भूयः. அன்னவயர் புதுவை ஆண்டாள் அரங்கற்கு பன்னு திருப்பாவே பல்பதியம் இன்னிசையால் பாடி கொடுத்தாளே நற்பாமாலை பூமாலை சூடி கொடுத்தாளே சொல்லு சூடி கொடுத்த சுடற்கொடியே தொல்பாவை பாடி அருளவல்ல பல்வலையாய் நாடி நீ வெங்கடவர்க்கென்னை விதி என்ன இம்மாற்றம் நாம் கடவா வண்ணமே நல்க. Jai Shrimanarayana. Welcome to today's Pashuram on Tirupavai. We are supposed to look at the 25th Pashuram in Tirupavai, which is going to describe the divine appearance of Lord Krishna. All of these verses we have seen how Andal Tayar is glorifying Lord Shri Krishna. So here it is, the divine appearance. But before we could look and enjoy the nectar of the Bhagavad Anubhavam in the Pashuram, a quick recap into the previous Pashuram, 24th Pashuram, where Tayar sings Mangala Shasanam. Mangala Shasanam means it is about a very lovely emotion that the devotees have towards Bhagavan, that no harm should fall on Bhagavan. Nothing should harm Bhagavan. Nothing bad should befall on Bhagavan. Now the question is, how is that? Bhagavan is the Supreme Lord. How can anything bad befall? See, that is the very essence of the bhakti, that we are free to choose any kind of a relationship that we would want to reciprocate with Bhagavan, and Bhagavan is going to reciprocate in the same way. We may want to choose to become a daughter or a son or a wife, lover, father, mother, whatsoever relationship, friend, master and a servant. Anyways, whatever is easy to strike that relationship with us, depending on our development of the consciousness, Bhagavan is always ready. So he has never kept any strict channel that you need to come only through this way, because loko bhinna ruchihi. Each one of us are so unique. Each one of our interest level varies, is it not? So Bhagavan wants everybody to come back to him. Thereby he has modified and made it very simpler and accessible, the route to reach him to each and every person. So let us look at it. What is this Pashuram? Yesterday's Pashuram. Andre Ivulaham Alandai Adipotri Trivikramavatara. She is singing Mangala Shasanams to Trivikramavatara. Sendraanga Tennilangai Sitrai Tiral Potri. Shri Ravachandra Prabhu Mangala Shasanam, to having finished the entire demonic clan of this Ravana, and then he brought back Sita Devi. Kandra Kunilai Yerindai Kadal Potri. Shri Krishna's avatar again, Vatsasura. குன்று குடையாய் எடுத்தாய் gudam potri govardhana uddhara leela. She is singing Mangala Shasanams to that leela of Bhagavan. வென்று பகை கெடுக்கும் நின் கையில் வேல் போற்றி. Bhagavan's valor is sung about here. என்றென்றும் உன் சேவகமே ஏற்றே பறைகொள்வான். We are coming here only with the ardent desire of your service. இன்று யாம் வந்தோம் இறங்கேலோ. Please have mercy on us. Please have compassion and grant us this parai, that is he himself. Let us look at today's Pashuram, 25th Pashuram. ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர தருக்கிலனாகி தான் தீங்கு நினைந்த கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்த கஞ்சன் வயிற்றில் நெருப்பென்ன நின்ற நெடுமாலே உன்னை அறுத்தித்தி வந்தோம் பறை தருதியாகில் திருத்தக்க செல்வமும் சேவகமும் யாம் பாடி வருத்தமும் தீர்ந்து மகிழ்ந்தேலோ ரெம்பாவாய். So Tayar is saying, describing about the Sri Krishna Avatara, why it is important for us to know the advent of the Lord. Because the Lord appears for our benefit, is it not? Why the Lord has to appear? He can create all of the entire creation in Sankalpa Matra. By his resolve, he can sit there in his Paramapadam and take a resolve. With that resolve itself, everything comes into existence. That's how he has created the entire material creation, the material realm, is it not? So why does he make an attempt to appear personally, manifest himself into this planet? It is so that we are able to see, listen, learn, implement, go back. This is the very purpose. So Lord Krishna says in the 4th chapter, 9th verse, Janma karma chame divyam evam yoveti tattvataha tyaktva deham punarjanma naitimam itiso Arjuna. So Bhagavan says, the one who knows the transcendental nature, the purpose of the Lord's appearance, the purpose of the Lord's leelas, the message of the Lord, whatever he is delivering here, what is it? We have to understand it as is without misunderstanding. So if the Jivatma understands this, definitely he is going to go to the eternal abode without fail. Krishna has given this assurance in the Bhagavad Gita. Also, Bhagavan mentions in the 15th chapter that the person who knows that he is the Purushottama, these two things are prerequisites to know the purpose of his appearance, the Leelas, Janma Karma Chame Divyam, because everything is so transcendental. So when the person knows, and the person who knows that he is the Purushottama, these people are already qualified to the eternal abode. So this is the message that Andal Tayar is singing in this Pashuram. Let us understand that. ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து, born to Devaki as son, ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர, on the same day night you were moved to some other place. Which place? To Vrindavan, Gokulam, brought up by another mother, Yashoda, as the son, ஒளித்து, very secretively, because Kamsa had this prophecy that the 8th child of Devaki would be his cause for the death. So he wanted to kill whichever child was born to Devaki Mata. So he, in order to safeguard baby Krishna, he was moved to the other side of Yamuna. Very beautifully, the Srimad Bhagavata Purana 10th canto, 3rd chapter, Shukacharya has spoken about the appearance of the Lord Shri Krishna. He says that there was this auspicious time where the entire universe was surcharged with the quality of goodness, beauty and peace. Everywhere the atmosphere was so pleasing and serene. The constellations took their auspicious places, and in the Ashwini and the Rohini Nakshatra appeared, which were so auspicious for the welcoming of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. All of the demigods started chanting the glories of the Lord, the pleasing aroma of the flowers, and there he appeared on the Ashtami Tithi. Bhagavan Shri Krishna appeared as the very Sarveshwara in his original form as the Chaturbhuja Shri Mahavishnu Sriman Narayana. He appeared there, and then after that, that very night he got transferred to Gokulam, Vrindavanam, Olittu Valara, in order to keep him very secretively, in order to keep him away from Kamsa's evil plans. ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர தான் தரிக்கிலானாகி. Kamsa could not tolerate that, Krishna is there, and he wanted to somehow get rid of baby Krishna. தீங்கு நினைந்த Kanjan, somehow he wants to kill Krishna. So that is Kanjan here referred to as Kamsa, always who wanted to send. So many demons he has sent. Putana, Aghasura, Trinavarta, Pratsasura, then Vyomasura. So many demons he has sent to harm baby Krishna, because that was the prophecy. Karuttai Pidaipitta, Bhagavan Shri Krishna, Kamsa wanted to harm Krishna, but instead what has happened is vice versa. He ruined Kamsa's ideas of Kamsa, harming Krishna. Vayitril Nerupenna Nindra Nedumale. So Tayar says, Krishna, you are like the fire in the stomach. Of whom? For Kamsa, in the stomach always, when somebody is worried, is it not? There's always something like a fire kind of a sensation in the stomach. So much of anger he had, hatred he had, and Krishna was the very purpose of all of his agony. So Bhagavan stood there as fire for Kamsa. Unnai aruttittu vandom. Bhagavan, we are here, we have come praising you, requesting you to grant us this parai. Parai, as we said already, parai is actually an instrument, a Beri Vadyam kind of, but here it specifically refers to Kainkaryam or the service, the opportunity to be engaged in the unconditional service of the Supreme Lord. Parai Tarudi Akhil, please fulfill our desire. What is the desire? This is the desire to have Krishna himself. Tiruttakka Selvamum Sevakamum Yampadi. We shall sing all about the wealth that Tayar Pirati, Sri Mahalakshmi, gives, and also about your valor, about your bravery. Varuttamum Tirnde Mahandelor. All our sufferings or pains will be mitigated, and we are going to be happy. There's going to be an end to all of our suffering, and we are going to be happy. That is how Tayar is asking Shri Krishna to grace them. So this Pashuram specifically emphasizes about the importance of knowing Bhagavan's cause for appearance here, the message that he has given. That is why this is nothing but the emphasis of the importance Tayar is giving to the very 4th chapter in the Bhagavad Gita, 9th verse, where Bhagavan says, anybody who knows the transcendental appearance, the activities, the message of the Supreme Lord as is, not to misinterpret or misunderstand, as is, if they are able to understand, definitely they are going to return back, because we need to understand more than we wanting to enter the eternal abode. It is Bhagavan who is more interested to take us back to the eternal abode. Let us again recite the 25th Pashuram. ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர தரக்கிலனாகி தான் தீங்கு நினைந்த கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்த கஞ்சன் வயிற்றில் நெருப்பென்ன நின்ற நெடுமாலே உன்னை அறுத்தித்தி வந்தோம் பரதருதியாகில் திருத்தக்க செல்வமும் சேவகமும் யாம்பாடி வருத்தமும் தீர்ந்து மகிழ்ந்தேலோ ரெம்பாவாய். So Bhagavan's quality here we need to understand for the devotees, for the people who have surrendered to him. He is always like a lion protecting the cub. The cub does not have to hold the lion, is it not? By the very gentle hold, the lion holds the cub in a very nice way. For us it apparently looks like, you know, it could be harmful, but no, the lion is always there protecting the child. The same lion, if anybody messes with the cub, how does the lion become? Very ferocious. That is how Bhagavan is towards the wicked people. But for the people who want him, who have surrendered to him, and who are always keen for his association, he is just like that protective lion which always safeguards and bothers about the well-being of the little one. Likewise, let us conclude today's Pashuram by singing Mangala Shasanam. Andal Tiruvadigalе Sharanam, Udayavar Tiruvadigalе Sharanam, Acharyar Jiyar Tiruvadigalе Sharanam, Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.
Hope all are enjoying Adhyatma Sudha, the spiritual nectar. Priya Bandhu, be generous. Subscribe, like and share to enlighten. Dhanyavad.